Hello and welcome. I'm currently loading up on some of these stocks. These dividend stocks have stable, generous, and juicy dividends. I'm sure you'll agree these are all great stocks that any true dividend investor should own in their portfolio. Disclaimer: these are all my opinions and not to be considered financial or investing advice. This video and all our videos are for entertainment purposes only. Number 5. Main Street Capital. Ticker symbol MAIN. Here's one I'm loading up on myself. Founded in 2007 and headquartered in Houston, Texas, Main Street Capital is a business development company. The fund focuses on providing customized debt and equity financing solutions to lower middle market companies. At the time of this video, Main Street has a current price of $36.87. Main Street is down by 16.39% on the one-year charts. Main Street has a market cap of $2.85 billion. Current dividend yield of 7.32%. For investors, that's 22 cents per share a month or $2.58 per share a year. P/E ratio of 11.53. Main Street has a payout ratio of 84.38%. So why else should you consider loading up on Main Street Capital? Main Street is a good monthly dividend payer. Main Street has a strong yield and dividend growth, balance sheet strength, and strong fundamentals. According to 4 analysts, Main Street has 2 buys, 2 holds, and a target high price of $46 and target average of $42. Number 4. Texas Instrument Incorporated. Ticker symbol TXN. Founded in 1930 and headquartered in Dallas, Texas. Texas Instrument is a global semiconductor designer and manufacturing company. At the time of this video, Texas Instrument has a current price of $175.16. Texas Instrument is down by 6.21% on the one-year charts. Market cap of $158.97 billion. Current dividend yield of 2.83%. For investors, that's $1.24 per share a quarter or $4.96 per share a year. Texas Instrument currently trades at a forward P/E of 18.41. Texas Instrument has grown their dividend for 17 years. Texas Instrument has a payout ratio of 46.77%, which means that there's good room to raise the dividend. So why else should you consider loading up on Texas Instrument? Texas Instrument a good economic moats with their line of products and offerings. They have a nice consistent dividend growth. Texas Instrument yields 2.83%, which is one of the highest among its peers. Texas Instrument has a 5-year dividend growth rate of 17.21%. They have balance sheet strength and strong fundamentals. 5-year stock growth of 58.67%. 10-year stock growth of 440%. According to 19 analysts, Texas Instrument has 6 buys, 11 holds, and 2 sells, and target high price of $230 and target average of $175. Number 3. Microsoft Corporation. Ticker symbol MSFT. At the time of this video, Microsoft has a current price of $224.93. Microsoft is up by 28.34% on the one-year charts. Microsoft is close to its all-time 52-week low of $213.43. Market cap of $1.68 trillion. Microsoft currently trades at a forward P/E of 23.59. Current dividend yield of 1.21%. For investors, that's 68 cents per share a quarter or $2.72 per share a year. Microsoft has grown their dividend for 18 years. Microsoft has a payout ratio of 27.37%, which means that there's great room to raise the dividend. So why else should you consider loading up on Microsoft? Microsoft has one of the greatest economic moats with their line of products and offerings. They have a nice consistent dividend growth. Microsoft has a 5-year dividend growth rate of 9.82%. They have balance sheet strength and strong fundamentals. This company has so much cash flow. 5-year stock growth of 154.96%. 10-year stock growth of 738.35%. According to 28 analysts, Microsoft has 25 buys, 3 holds and target high price of $371 and target average of $288.69. Number 2. ROWE Price Group. Ticker symbol TROW. Founded in 1937 and headquartered in Maryland. ROWE Price is an American publicly owned global investment management firm. At the time of this video, ROWE has a current price of $112.29. ROWE is down by 40.91% on the 1-year charts. Market cap of $25.09 billion. ROWE price currently trades at a forward P of 14.13, which is lower than S&P 500. Current dividend yield of 4.27%. For investors, that's $1.20 per share a quarter or $4.80 per share a year. ROWE price is a dividend aristocrat with 36 years of dividend growth rate. ROWE price has a payout ratio of 49.58%, which means that there is good room to raise the dividend. So why else should you consider loading up on ROWE price? ROWE Price is the largest investment management firm in the finance sector with more than $1.52 trillion in assets under management. Strong business across asset and wealth management. Net revenue of $1.9 billion. Their 5-year dividend growth rate is 16.05%. ROWE Price has the best annualized growth rate amongst its peers. ROWE Price has balance sheet strength and strong fundamentals. 10-year stock growth of 68.07%. According to 11 analysts, ROWE has 0 buys, 6 holds, and 5 sells, and a target high price of $125 and target average of $98.64. Number 1. MEDTRONIC plc. Ticker symbol MDT. Founded in 1949 and headquartered in Dublin, Ireland, MEDTRONIC develops, manufactures, distributes and sells device-based medical therapies to hospitals, physicians, clinicians and patients worldwide. At the time of this video, MEDTRONIC has a current price of $80.86. MEDTRONIC is down by 22.97% on the 1-year charts. Market cap of $107.56 billion. Current dividend yield of 3.36%. For investors, that's 68 cents per share a quarter or $2.72 per share a year. MEDTRONIC has grown their dividend for 43 years. MEDTRONIC currently trades at a forward P of 15.31, which is lower than S&P 500. MEDTRONIC has a payout ratio of 49.25%, which means that there's room to raise the dividend. So why else should you consider loading up on MEDTRONIC? MEDTRONIC is a known brand in the healthcare sector. MEDTRONIC has a nice consistent dividend growth. Their 5-year dividend growth rate is 7.94%. MEDTRONIC has balance sheet strength and strong fundamentals. According to 20 analysts, MEDTRONIC has 6 buys, 13 holds and 1 sell, and target high price of $110, and target average of $88.39. So which one of these quality dividend stocks do you proudly own or thinking of picking up? Please comment below and let us learn from you. Remember, all we do is bring you the lists for entertainment. It is your duty to do your own due diligence and or consult an expert and invest your hard-earned money wisely. Please don't leave us without smashing the like button and give us a subscribe. Think of it as a tip for my hard work. I will greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Disclaimer: please note that I showcased these stocks for educational purposes only, and shouldn't be taken as investment advice. I don't personally own all these stocks, just some. Please do your own due diligence and or consult your expert investment advisor, as more fundamental analysis may be needed before investing. Please also note that the past performance of these stocks does not guarantee or indicate similar future performance.